Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can activate BitLocker data encryption on Windows 11. So if you need more protection to protect your system, you can try this method. You can try to activate this feature, BitLocker encryption. So you can click on your system tray, Windows security, and click the device security. Under core isolation, there is a data encryption, helps protect your data from unauthorized access in case your device is lost or stolen. Manage BitLocker drive encryption, you can click, and here we go. In order to activate, you can turn on BitLocker here on your operating system drive. So feel free to try to turn on this data encryption or drive encryption to protect your hard disk or hard drive. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. See you in the next video.